What's up, geometry? So this video is about the angle and segment sum postulates. Alright, all you have to keep in mind is that the parts of the angles and the parts of the segments always add up to the whole, right? The little pieces add up to the whole. Alright, so in this first example right here, notice that this angle is broken up into two pieces. Alright, so I know that whatever angle MEP is equal to, x plus 10, which is one part, plus 40 degrees, which is the other part, must equal the whole angle here. Alright, so I'm told that the whole angle MEP is equal to 120 degrees. So if I want to solve for x here, all I need to do is set up the equation so that all the parts add up to the whole. So it's going to look like this: x plus 10 plus 40 is equal to 120 degrees. Now I'm kind of going into the other problem here, so bear with me. I'm going to try to squeeze it in. So what do I do from here? Well, I combine my like terms, right? And you guys are pretty good with the algebra already, so I'm not too worried, or you guys should be good with the algebra. So I got 10 plus 40 here, so that's going to give me 50. So I have x plus 50 equals 120. Alright, then I'm just going to solve for x. It's a one-step equation. I just need to subtract 50 on both sides. Alright, so I'm going to get x is equal to 70 degrees. Okay, so the answer to this problem is that x is equal to 70 degrees. Now let's move over to the other problem. Sorry for the the first problem sort of bleeding into this. I'll try to zoom in on it. Over here I have a line segment, right? Or I have a line, excuse me, that's broken up into a couple of line segments. I have two pieces here. I have LS, line segment LS, and line segment SM. So the two pieces LS and SM have to add up to whatever LM is equal to. In this case, LM is equal to 16. So I can set up my equation to solve for x. Alright, so I'll set up my equation over here in this space. The equation is 5x plus 3 plus 3, which is the other part, is equal to 16. And then again, I just use my algebra skills. I combine my like terms. Alright, so 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Alright, and so 5x plus 6 is equal to 16. Alright, you guys can take it from here. I'm just going to subtract 6 on both sides, yada yada. You should get that x is equal to 2. Right, hopefully that makes sense to you. Now I want you guys to be aware of a couple of vocabulary words for these kinds of problems. Alright, particularly the word bisect and the word midpoint. Both of these words have to do with the word half, right? The bisector cuts an angle or a segment in half. The midpoint is the middle point of a line segment, so it's cutting the line segment in half. Alright, so whenever in a problem you see a bisector or a midpoint, you know that the two parts of whatever the bisector is cutting, or the two parts of whatever the midpoint is in between, alright, you know that those parts have to be equal. So please, please, please keep these vocabulary words in mind.
Got just one